So, if you've watched my last video, you know I'm terrible at the stock market. But I don't give up so easily. I've devised a new way to pick stocks. It's with a laser. It's not going to be boring at all. I'm sure it's going to be totally worth your time.
So the main idea is to randomly pick 5 stocks from the S&P 500, then track the progress of them over the next year. However, there are 2 main problems with this. First of all, the stock market is in a downward spiral right now, and whenever I've seen people use monkeys, cats, and even fish to pick stocks, it's generally in a bull market, so that the majority of the top tier stocks are going up and not down. Problem number 2, I could only use a stepper motor, so I couldn't pick stocks from a massive grid like I originally wanted to, which means I'm going to have to narrow down the available options that the laser can pick from. But regardless of that, here's the plan. I randomly pick 50 stocks from the 500 of the top US stocks. These are then grouped into 5 groups of 10. The laser will then pick 1 stock from each group, leaving us with 5 individual stocks we can invest in.
Now I've got the boring bit out of the way. We can focus on the even more boring bit, the circuit. I know none of you care, but here you go. This is an Arduino, brains of the circuit. We've got this driver, which basically gives it more power or something, or controls it, I don't know. We've got the stepper motor, which has set values for each angle that it's supposed to point, and each of those values can be activated by a random number that's selected at random by the code, which should be on screen right now. We have the laser, which is connected to a breadboard for some reason. I don't know why I didn't just solder it, which is constantly powered by 2 AA batteries, and I'm losing the will to live. It's taken me 3 or 4 hours to edit 1 minute of this video. Wait a minute, what's this? A revolutionary piece of stock picking technology. Look, let's just turn it on. That lights up as well, and allow it to pick the best stock in existence. Look at that! Look at it go! Look at it go! What's it gonna pick? What's it gonna pick? Oh! Okay, it didn't kind of went off the chart there, but we'll give it another shot. Let's just calibrate the sensors real quick.
20 minutes later.
Look at that! Look, what stock's it? What stock's it gonna pick? It's going mad! It's mad here! Dang nabbit! Yum! It picks yum. All right, yum. Awesome choice by the way, yum. Hi, it's future me here. After about 8 hours editing with only about 4 minutes of usable video footage, I've come to realise that you probably don't want to watch 20 minutes of me fiddling around with a laser, slowly going insane. So I'm going to cut that down, only show you the highlights, maybe add a few CGI explosions. But as long as you, the viewer, is entertained and keep watching till the end, I can sleep soundly at night. But just warning you, if things get a bit stupid down the line, it's just a battle with humanity's low attention spans. Second row. Didn't really pick one. It's kind of in the middle. Just a little bit anticlimactic, I'm gonna lie. It's always going to and fro. What's the stock? What's he gonna pick? Look at that laser go. Emro. Keep a note of that, Emro. Bloody Emro. Amazing stock choice. Bravo. Third row. Where's it going? RCL. Fourth row. Oh jeez. Dang it. This. Big bloody fist. Fifth row. Thank God it's nearly over. Oh my, Warren Buffett would be proud. Look at that laser go. It's on CSA. It went straight to cat.
So after that eventful stock picking session, we are actually left with 5 stocks, which are Yum, Emro, RCL, Fizz, and Cat. Yum is a food company that owns KFC, Taco Bell, and Pizza Hut. Marathon Oil is, you guessed it, an oil company and owns the largest petroleum refinery in the United States. Royal Caribbean Cruises is the world's second largest cruise company and controls 20% of the entire cruise market, whereas Fidelity National Information Services is an American multinational corporation which offers a wide range of financial products and services. However, FIS is most known for its development of fintech. And finally, Cardinal Health is a care services company which is the 14th highest revenue generating company in the United States and specializes in the distribution of pharmaceuticals and medical products.
I've currently invested 100k into those stocks, and no, it's not my own money. I'm using a virtual trading simulation. Because do I look like I'm the person who have 100k knocking about? Yeah, exactly. You've answered your own question. However, good news. In 2 days, they've already made $1,000. I don't know how that happened. I was actually expecting it to lose money. If the title says the laser made me 10k, well, that's because it will by the end of the year, probably. I have done my own research. Most of these random stock picking experiments do average out at about 10% profit per year. So if you subscribe, you can track the actual stock's progress over the next year, because I'll post updates